Hello friends, welcome to Dedicated Code. This video is all about how to get the list of packages in the Ubuntu. We are using three different methods. First one apt, second one dpkg, and third one snap. Also help you to sort this, and we are going into the depth of this. Very first, here we are specifically core of 5 points for listing packages. First one, get all installed and available packages. Second, list all only installed packages. Third, be specific packages, suppose you want to check whether install or not. Fourth one, we can able to also get the list of upgradable, means which packages we need to upgrade, so that list we also can able to get. And fourth way, we can get the count of installed packages, so how many packages are currently running in the system. We are going to do with the help of these three methods, that is apt, dpkg and snap. So let's start. Very first, we are going with the apt method. Get list of all installed and available packages. We can able to use this command, and here this is the all list of available packages. Okay, this output shows a long list of packages with the version information and package architecture. To shorten this list, we can able to use this command. See this. Now we will move towards the second option, get only installed packages list. So these are only installed packages available in our system. Now we will find a be specific package, whether it is installed or not. For demonstration purpose, we will try xxd. apt list space xxd space -- installed. You can able to see here it's showing it is installed. We will try another one. See, the result is not showing, it is not installed. Another way to do this is apt space show space package name xxd. See here, we had all information about this package. Now we will check upgradable packages available in the system. Since we already run a command, we are not able to see many packages which needs to be updated, but here we found one. Now we will move towards the last command. In this, we needed to use a pipeline method. So here we are using wc space -l, that will give you a count, that is count number of installed packages. And here you can able to see we had 2032 installed packages. So this is how we done with the help of apt. Similar you can able to do via dpkg. The sample is here. This is installed one. Alternative option is this one. If you want to create a list of all installed packages and save into the particular file, you can able to use this command. And the count, you can able to use this command. Now we will move towards the third method, snap list. Again, here we can able to see here. Now we knows how to get the list. Hopefully this video helps in the understanding of list of packages that may be installed, non-installed or upgradable.